Nothing beats a Genty holiday. And right now, you could save 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds off for a family of 4. Moni akong kuan, mangoon. Gagmatoy may chariza. So, di na ko ganahan. Mana ko. Moni akong classmate na nag-iiba na talaga ang utak, chariza. Nag-iiba na talaga at sila ng chariza. Yan itong isa na wala man. Kuha na. Tora ang isa oh. Tora. Nandito na si. Hala day, mga what ang red fox ni mo day. Day ayaw anak. Lay mal. Nawala siya day. Day nawala siya day. Mga what yung. Sorry Lord. Lord, alam ko namang magpapahirap. Magpapahirap. Uy, nang sa muka po na ng GC, sige na magkuhan na magbuang yaw nagamay na lang kung kulang ninyo ba panghilo mong tanan. High rain wala din siya ba teleport tayo na sa lapat yanara ko diri. So, ibig sabihin, galag ko. Charis. Di pang magdaga na lang ko. Uy, bahala mo diyo. Kapoy kayo, sige kuan. Oo, nakoy isa kawatiring kan. O duha kawatiring kan. Ayos. Nanakoy duha ka kuan. Nanakoy duha ka kaning.
She was a fairy.
Yeah! Sure. Like kuan na. Kay, especially, ganit ko na. Nakuita ko na plant. Nara. Hindi yun. Natinga ko, dako kay siya. So, magulat na lang siguro to sa update karon. So, unya na pod. Kuan pa mo karon 7. You know, dako kay siya day. So, sa inyong ingon guys. Ay, wala man this na mama.
A few moments later.
Lain na jud ani oy. Wala ko ka-join nilang tanan. Kung friend, wala ka-join. By the way, dili jud ko magkuan. Mag-expect na gitagaan ko og sugar apple. Yar, slay. Yan, nadungog ninyo. So, ato na siyang itanam. Then, matatang basic sprinkler. Godly. O kaning advance. We need some, you know, like boba tea, gnarly, Tesla, gnarly, fried chicken, gnarly. Adik yapon ba? Isa Gabriela na. Hands up. By the way, naku nakuha. Naku. Dako ko siya na pet. Pero di siya as in dako. Kunara. Dako kay siya day. Nang ani kadagan yung ulo. Palit ang snail. Cherries. Cute kaya ang kuwan no. Balay-balay. You know. Muna akong twin. So murag-murag ito karon. Guys. Because the summer harvest has not begun and I got disconnected. I got kicked out of the game and Jandal give a like of my garden and he got kicked me. I don't know if he kicked me. So by the way, so that's all for today's video guys. That naman po lang this goes. So nagantag elements nakuha ko. Elements, cherries. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Your body.
What the
Come on, rock that body. Rock your body.
Rock that body. Come on, rock that body. Nothing beats a Genty holiday. And right now, you could save 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds off for a family of 4.